Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to automatically play in Color Lab. We will cover the essential steps to set up and run your automated processes efficiently. This method focuses on maximizing your output with minimal manual intervention, allowing you to achieve consistent results. By following these guidelines, you can transform tedious, repetitive actions into a streamlined, hands-free experience, saving you valuable time and effort. Get ready to optimize your Color Lab workflow. To begin, access the Automation panel, typically found under the Tools or Settings menu. Here, you will create a new script, naming it clearly for easy identification. Carefully define each step, such as clicking specific color zones or activating particular functions. Ensure your color recognition settings are precise, perhaps using a tolerance of plus or -5% for optimal performance. Remember to add small delays, around 100 to 200 milliseconds, between actions to prevent errors. Once your script is complete, simply click the Run button to start the automation. It is crucial to observe the initial runs closely to ensure everything functions as intended. Keep an eye on the progress bar or status indicators, which typically update every few seconds. If an error occurs, pause the script and check the detailed log file, often located in the Reports section. This log provides valuable insights, helping you pinpoint and resolve any problems within your automation sequence. For peak performance, regularly review and refine your scripts. Look for opportunities to combine steps or reduce unnecessary actions, potentially cutting execution time by 20 to 30%. Experiment with different color detection sensitivities. Sometimes a slight adjustment, like a 2% change, can significantly improve reliability. Also, consider adding basic error handling, such as if-then statements, to gracefully manage situations like missing elements or unexpected pop-ups, ensuring your automation runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.